Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all well. Today we will see how to fix most common VirtualBox error in recent days. When you open VirtualBox in any Linux system, it will throw an error saying kernel driver not installed. To fix this, you need to turn off secure booting in your BIOS. Even though if you install all the necessary package and facing this error, then just turn off your system. Once the system is power off, then press power button, then click on escape key continuously, then go to BIOS setup, then go to configuration. Here go to boot options, then here change secure boot enabled to disabled, then click on F10 to save and exit. Now wait till your system turn on. It will take few seconds. Now you need to solve this 5, 6, 8, 9. Then click on enter to complete the change. You may get different number. You just enter that number and then click on enter to apply the changes. Now go to VirtualBox. Now run any operating system. It won't throw any error. See, it's working fine now. This is how you can fix the kernel not installed error in any Linux system. Hope this video helped you. If you have any doubt, please leave a comment and give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all. Bye bye. Love you.